I don't know about you, but I think it's about time that we brought back the good old-fashioned mixtape, but this time with a modern twist. Now these modern mixtapes are going to be available for sale on my website, that's linked in the description. But in this video I'm going to go through what they are, how I made them and how they actually work. Now some of you may remember the act of recording songs onto a cassette tape, writing on the label and then giving it to that special someone. In this digital age the act has almost been forgotten. The modern mixtape is what I think could replace it. It's a physical way of sharing a playlist you create with that special someone. When you create the playlist on the music platform of your choice, you are often given the option of sharing the playlist you created with a URL link. This link can then be turned into a QR code, and the QR code can then be turned into a modern mixtape. Here's how I did it. I used a laser engraver. I really think this is going to be the best route to produce these. It engraves the design and cuts out the shape too. Any label can be engraved on the front. I thought the awesome mix from Guardians of the Galaxy would make a great example for this though. In order to engrave the QR code on the back, I first etched an outline so I can then line everything up with ease. So how this mixtape actually works is all to do with the QR code on the back. You might have seen these QR codes on lots of different things. Well, these are read by your phone's camera. You scan it with your phone and it will direct you to a web page, bring up a picture, or in this case take you to a playlist. Hopefully you can see how simple it is to just scan the QR code, have it pop up on Spotify, Amazon Music, Apple Music, all that kind of stuff. The only thing you need is when you make your playlist, if you can copy a link to share with another person, you can make one of these. It's that simple. So I really hope that this has inspired you. It's a really simple idea, but I've never personally seen it before, and I do think it's about time we bring back the act of gifting people mixtapes. It was massive back in the day, let's see it be massive again. I want to say a massive thank you as well, as always, to my Patreon supporters. I've actually got a brand new supporter this month, and that's Joseph, and I've also had Paul jump back on board as well with his support. Honestly guys, I can't thank you all enough. I really appreciate everything you do to support me on this channel, and thank you all for watching again.